Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is trading at a level of $76.4, and I've already explained you that 76.8 is a strong support. Okay, now the price has moved below this level. So what you have to understand looking at this particular chart, that if the price started falling again, we can see it will go further down, a probability of touching 75 we can see, and then to a level of 70 also we can see, and if it started going below this level, chance of touching 60 is also there is a probability. Okay, but if the price started going again above a level of 77, then we can see there can be upside movement again. Now looking at this particular chart, this particular pattern is supporting towards downside, so we can see it can fall below a level of 72, and once started going below 72, that level we have seen in the month of Jan 2024. So chances are high it can go further low, and yes, it can go below a level of 69 and then further down. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, suppose let's see how the dollar index is moving. See, as I have already explained, okay, so if the price started falling below a level of 104, then a further downfall we can see in the dollar index, then the price of crude can come up. Okay, but if the price started sustaining again above a level of 104.5, then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see in dollar index, which will in turn reduce the price of crude. Okay, but sometime what happened, crude and dollar index started going together upside as well as downside. So in order to reduce that uncertainty, try to put your SL and try to trail your SL. These two things you should be doing. Trailing your SL will save your profit, and putting your SL will save your capital. Okay, let's see how the crude price can go. See, suppose if the crude price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $75.38. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards 74.21. Keeping that in mind, that if the price started falling below 74.21, chances of touching 72.39 we can see, and then it can come below a level of 70.34. See, you have to keep it in mind because this level we have seen in the month of June. Okay, so there will be a zone breakout if started falling below $75, and once started falling below 75, we can see a level of 74.21, then to a level of 72.26, and if started falling below 72.26, a probability of going towards a level of 70.94 we can see, and then a further fall below a level of 69.31, which is already being tested. So chances will be high after this level we can see it will cross this level, and we can see it can touch a level of $68. Okay, now what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go further upside towards 77.27. Okay, if the price moving up that level, we can see it can go towards 78.24. Okay, suppose if the price moving up that particular level, chances are high it will cross this level, and after that it can cross a level of 79.34, which is already been weak, and then it can cross a level of around 80.7. Keeping that in mind, that chances are high it will cross this level, and after that it can touch a level of 89.7, and if that sustain, a further upside towards a level of 82.61 we can see. 82.61 is already being weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross a level of 83.5, and then it can cross a level of around $84.5. As soon as the price started hitting above 84.5, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the